Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently in your daily life, you are in the right place. Every day, we learn simple English sentences that you can use at home, at work, and in real conversations. So don't just watch, repeat after me, practice daily, and level up your English step by step. Let's make English easy, fun, and powerful together. Let's get started. 1. I just woke up. Meaning, I have gotten out of sleep right now. 2. I'm still in bed. Meaning, I have not left my bed yet. 3. I'm feeling sleepy. Meaning, I still want to sleep. 4. I need to get up. Meaning, it's time to leave the bed. 5. Let me wash my face. Meaning, I will clean my face with water. 6. I'm brushing my teeth. Meaning, I am cleaning my teeth. 7. I'm getting ready. Meaning, I am preparing myself. 8. I'm going to take a shower. Meaning, I will bathe. 9. The water is too cold. Meaning, the temperature of water is very low. 10. The water is warm. Meaning, the water feels slightly hot and comfortable. 11. I'm getting dressed. Meaning, I am putting on clothes. 12. Where is my shirt? Meaning, I am looking for my shirt. 13. This doesn't fit me. Meaning, the size is not right for me. 14. I'm making breakfast. Meaning, I am preparing morning food. 15. The food smells good. Meaning, the food has a nice smell. 16. I'm feeling hungry. Meaning, I want to eat food. 17. Let's eat together. Meaning, we will eat at the same time. 18. The food is delicious. Meaning, the food tastes very good. 19. I'm full now. Meaning, I have eaten enough. 20. I need some water. Meaning, I want to drink water. 21. Please pass the salt. Meaning, give me the salt. 22. I dropped something. Meaning, something fell from my hand. 23. Let me clean this. Meaning, I will remove the dirt. 24. The room is messy. Meaning, the room is not clean or organized. 25. I need to tidy up. Meaning, I should make things neat. 26. I'm cleaning the room. Meaning, I am making the room clean. 27. I'm sweeping the floor. Meaning, I am removing dust from the floor. 28. I'm mopping the floor. Meaning, I am cleaning the floor with water. 29. The house looks clean. Meaning, everything is neat and tidy. 30. I'm doing the laundry. Meaning, I am washing clothes. 31. The clothes are dirty. Meaning, the clothes are not clean. 32. I'll hang the clothes. Meaning, I will put clothes to dry. 33. The clothes are dry. Meaning, there is no water in them. 34. I'll fold the clothes. Meaning, I will arrange clothes neatly. 35. I'm ironing my clothes. Meaning, I am removing wrinkles from clothes. 36. I'm tired now. Meaning, I have no energy. 37. I need to rest. meaning I should relax. 38. Let me take a seat, meaning I will take a seat. 39. I'm watching TV, meaning I am looking at television. 40. What's on TV? Meaning what program is showing. 41. This show is interesting, meaning the program is enjoyable. 42. I'm listening to music, meaning I am hearing songs. 43. Turn the volume up, meaning make the sound louder. 44. Turn the volume down, meaning make the sound lower. 45. I'm using my phone, meaning I am operating my mobile. 46. My phone battery is low, meaning the charge is almost finished. 47. I need to charge it, meaning I should give it power. 48. I'm checking messages, meaning I am reading texts. 49. I'm calling someone, meaning I am making a phone call. 50. No one is answering, meaning nobody is picking up the call. 51. I'm working from home, meaning I am doing my job at home. 52. I'm busy right now, meaning I don't have free time. 53. I'll do it later, meaning I will complete it after some time. 54. Remind me later, meaning tell me again in the future. 55. I forgot about it, meaning I didn't remember it. 56. Let me check, meaning I will look at it carefully. 57. I found it, meaning I discovered it. 58. I lost it, meaning I cannot find it. 59. Where did I put it? Meaning I don't remember where I kept it. 60. It's on the table, meaning the thing is placed on the table. 61. It's under the bed, meaning it is below the bed. 62. It's in the kitchen, meaning it is inside the kitchen area. 63. Close the door, meaning shut the door. 64. Open the window, meaning make the window open. 65. Turn on the light, meaning switch the light on. 66. Turn off the fan, meaning stop the fan. 67. It's too hot, meaning the temperature is very high. 68. It's too cold, meaning the temperature is very low. 69. I need some fresh air, meaning I want clean air. 70. I'm feeling bored, meaning I have nothing interesting to do.
71. Let's do something fun, meaning let's enjoy an activity. 72. I'm reading a book, meaning I am looking at a book and understanding it. 73. This book is interesting, meaning the book is enjoyable. 74. I'm writing something, meaning I am putting words on paper. 75. I'm studying, meaning I am learning something. 76. I don't understand this, meaning it is not clear to me. 77. Let me try again, meaning I will attempt one more time. 78. I did it, meaning I completed it successfully. 79. I made a mistake, meaning I did something wrong. 80. That's okay, meaning it is not a problem. 81. I'm learning every day, meaning I improve daily. 82. I feel better now, meaning my condition has improved. 83. I'm relaxing, meaning I am taking rest. 84. I'm lying down, meaning I am resting my body flat. 85. I'm taking a nap, meaning I am sleeping for a short time. 86. I just woke up again, meaning I woke up after sleeping. 87. It's evening now, meaning the day is ending. 88. Let's have dinner, meaning it's time to eat at night. 89. The food is ready, meaning the meal is prepared. 90. I'm eating dinner, meaning I am having my night meal. 91. That was tasty, meaning the food tasted good. 92. I'm cleaning the table, meaning I am making the table clean. 93. I'm getting sleepy again, meaning I feel like sleeping. 94. I'm going to bed, meaning I am going to sleep. 95. Good night, meaning saying before sleeping. See you tomorrow, meaning we will meet the next day. 97. I had a long day, meaning the day felt very busy or tiring. 98. I'm grateful for today, meaning I feel thankful for the day. 99. Tomorrow will be better, meaning the next day will improve. Time to sleep, meaning it is the right time to go to bed.